In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down to hit accessibility features. Now tap on one-handed mode here and use gray switcher to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. If you are using tricky navigation, you need to slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. If you are using gestures, do exactly the same. Just after sliding, hold for a second. So when I slide, as you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, click on dark area. If you want to use your screen on the other side, just swipe in an opposite direction. Go back the same way. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!